This is my Redcat. This is a Earthquake-8E. It's about 14 inches wide, about 20 inches long. The top of it is about 4 inches, and it probably has a good 2 inches of ground clearance on there. I don't know, what else can I tell about it? It's pretty fun to drive, you know. This thing probably weighs about 12 pounds. Here's the underside of it. That's the wheelie bar. This here's the wheelie bar. This thing has a lot of power. To be so heavy, it sure does pretty good, I think. Pretty nice shocks on there, pretty heavy. Sometimes I have noticed when I turn the front tires, it kind of catches the frame up here a little bit. I think there's still something wrong with the front steering here. Just haven't taken the time. I just kind of got it running a day or two ago. Here's the radio. That's where you do the fine adjustments up here. Power button. Your regular pistol grip radio.